Konnichiwa! Trigonometry! We are going to solve this problem. Come over here to the board of wisdom. Okay, so to solve sine of 120, 120 is not on the unit circle, so we use our sum or difference formula. So in this case, we can add up 90 and 30, which are on the unit circle, and they equal 120. So then you plug this into your sum or difference formula. Sine 90, cosine 30, plus cosine 90, sine 30. Then you find what these values are on your unit circle. Sine 90 is 1, cosine 30 is root 3 over 2, cosine 90 is 0, and sine 30 is 1/2. Then you multiply these values, which in this case is root 3 over 2 plus 0. And then you add it up, and that's the answer, root 3 over 2.
Oh! We are going to simplify this problem.
Alright, so to simplify this problem, you can't combine cosine and sine. So we're going to use a double angle formula. Now cosine of 2a equals, from this little handy dandy sheet, 1 minus 2 sine squared a. Then we use this and plug it in for cosine of 2a, and then we can combine the sine squares. So now it's 1 minus 2 sine squared a minus sine squared a, which equals 1 minus 3 sine squared a. Now it's simplified. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off.
We will now solve cosine of pi over 8.
Alright, so pi over 8. How do you solve that? It's not on the unit circle. Well, it's half of pi over 4. So you plug it into a half angle formula. So here we have cosine of pi over 4 over 2 equals plus, because it's in the first quadrant, square root of 1 plus cosine pi over 4 all over 2. And then you proceed to find out what cosine of pi over 4 is, which is root 2 over 2. Then you're going to simplify this. So the first thing you would do is you would get a common denominator on the top so that you could add these two together, which would be 2 over 2 plus root 2 over 2, which is 2 plus root 2 over 2. And then you would put that all over 2. And then you would copy, change, and flip that. And then you would end up with the square root of 2 plus root 2 all over 4. And then you can take the square root of the top over the square root of the bottom. So the square root of the top is square root of 2 plus square root of 2 over the square root of 4, which is 2. So that's your answer.
Hi.